Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Prajakta from 4th year. My design topic is Art and Design School Campus and the site for design is Nasik. Brief. All art buildings were created as a form of sculptural iconicity. This kind of physical distinctive visual appearance made them dominant sources, landmarks for the skyline of a city, etc. Balance, form, material, texture, scale, color are the keywords. Basically, we have to design combined campus for three departments: art department, fashion department, and the filmmaking department. Case study: Delhi College and Goa College both are about 3 acres inside. In case of Delhi College, block placement forms courtyard which provide diffuse light but not interacted spaces. Mixed use of material create interesting space in interior and exterior. Circulation space like channels, bridge, staircase, terrace acts as interesting spaces. In second case, built and unbuilt area connected very beautifully planned. Conceptually, gable and heave roof shows traditional architecture. Recreational like Kala Utsav like functions are celebrated at courtyard or open spaces. In both cases, courtyard and the open spaces circulating activities are most important. Site analysis. Site is located at Nasik near Microcircle. Area is about 5.4 acres. Because of the site located near Microcircle, access from 4 to 5 ways. Strong road network for the site. Site is covered by vegetation. Very huge trees present on site is about 10 to 12-meter high. Site bounded by 3 roads. First, Trambakeshwar is the main road. Secondary, Charanpur and the tertiary. It is not in used regularly. After case study and the site analysis, I derive my design on the basis of vegetation. I want to shape my building by tree shape. We can see in section sketch. Placement of building is around tree in plan and in section. Shape of tree decide building shape. It create more interactive spaces. I want to show connection between interior and exterior spaces. I want to connect them. So this is the plan of ground floor. One main axis connect whole campus. Two main entrance for the site. One is on the secondary road and another one work by like the back entrance. I divide parking into two parts near both of the entrance, and the central circulation space is also act as the pickup and the drop point. This part is for the art department, and at the lower side film and fashion department, and at the central part is utilized by the other common facilities used each department student: auditorium, canteen, museum, gym, exhibition. By this path we move towards the art department. Then it divided into two buildings: applied and the fine arts. Classrooms and the other labs are placed at the ground floor. Central courtyard is used for the open space activities between two buildings. I placed recreational spaces. Open air amphitheater space act as interacting space. Both pathways are the semi-covered. One is covered by pergolas and another one is covered by the trees. I placed canteen and auditorium at the center for easy to access. For each department, for canteen, give open air sitting also. This is the sitting under trees. This is the space between art and the auditorium for workshops. These buttresses like structure play supporting and interacting both roles. This is administration area. These two are the fashion and filmmaking department. Between these two departments, I designed one open filmmaking space. For the both department, workshops and labs are designed at the ground floor. At the entrance of this fashion design department, ramp space is there. and then another one central courtyard is there for the open air activities, and for the filmmaking department at the entrance AP lounge and the other common activities space is there. And at the second floor, above this ramp walk area, teaching space is there. Here studios and the classrooms are designed for easy to access and used. Same for the both department. Classroom, studios and the staff unit are on the same floor. This bridge connect them. Above the administration, guest rooms are kept for the single and the double occupancy. And these central open space are for these single and double occupancy interacting space. Above the parking, kept seminar halls. This is for the staff dining space, and for art department studio are placed on exactly classrooms for easy to access and use, and staff room are on the same floor for also the maintain discipline. Museum is on the auditorium second floor. I design museum in this way, like from the museum we can see whole campus. From this museum gallery which I placed at highest point, we can capture whole campus view. Also exhibition space is also on the same floor above the canteen. At last, I designed whole campus structure with the basic thought, as I want to create open interesting spaces, and also I want to create connection between the two buildings to design interacting spaces between the structure and the open spaces covered by the vegetation. These are the sections. When these sections cut vertically, shows connection between the interior and the outer spaces. How courtyard responds to vegetation. From this point, museum gallery, we can see whole campus. Elevation shows both entrances and how the spaces responds to the activities. These two sections, first one is cut from the art department, then auditorium, and then fashion department, and second one is cut from the art department, seminar halls, and the then fashion filmmaking department. These are some 3D views. Thank you.